Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. We have Shaboozey. I think you heard about him. He had a wonderful, fantastic last year, and he really deserves it. Now, we have a song called Chrome, alright, and that's a song that goes in the same way through the entire song. So it has his DNA all over it. He usually have these short corporations and they just roll in the same way. So this is no exception from that. We're gonna look into it with a capo set on the first fret, and let's go over the chords. So we're gonna start with the C major 7, and you will see here that one note here will be important, and that is the open B string. Okay, so that note, the open B, will be there throughout the song. So you're gonna start with the C major 7. It goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, and now this open B and open E. Next chord will be the G6. It's a version of G. So you're gonna play 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, again this open B and open E. Next chord will be a version of D, and it goes like this. So it's 5th on A, 4th on D, 4th on G, and then open B, and then open E. And finally we have the E minor. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B again, and then open E. And for all these chords, I will try to highlight the open B string. In that way, we try to stay away as much as possible from the open E string or the E string down there. In that way, we will have this open B very prominent. But if you get in touch with the open E down there, it doesn't hurt too much either. But yeah, as long as you go with these chords, it will sound great. So let's go into the strumming now. So we're going to learn it with the first chord, the C major 7. So grab that one, and one string around goes like this. So it's first one down, and then down up, and then up down up. And that's one string around. So down, down, up, down, up. And a couple of rounds. Alright, so what you're going to do here is to play one string around per chord in the order we'll learn the chords. So C major 1, the G1, the D1, and the E minor 1, like this. And that, my friends, is how you handle Chrome with Shaboozey and the rest of the people singing there in the music video on a boat maybe or so. I couldn't see that. I didn't give that too much time. But anyway, this is how you play it. 4 chords, very simple, and good luck. Thank you so much, guys, and play tuned.